In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express so you can see the design you want to work on. This could be anything from a social media post to a presentation slide, or any graphic with multiple elements. The goal here is to combine separate items so they behave as one, which makes your layout much easier to manage. Once your project is open, select the elements you want to combine. There are two simple ways to do this. You can hold down Shift and click each element one at a time, which is helpful when the objects are spaced apart or layered closely together. Or if the items are all in the same area, you can click and drag your cursor across them to select multiple elements at once. As you do this, make sure you're only selecting the pieces you want merged, because everything selected will be grouped together. After your elements are selected, move your attention to the top toolbar and look for the group option. Click that, and Adobe Express will combine the selected elements into one grouped object. If you prefer, there are two other ways to do the same thing. You can right-click on the selected elements and choose Group from the menu that appears. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G. Any of these methods will produce the same result, so you can use whichever feels fastest and most comfortable for your workflow. Once grouped, those separate elements will now act like a single layer. This is especially useful when you want to move, resize, or organize multiple objects without adjusting them one by one. To confirm that everything has been merged, check the Layers panel on the right side. You should see that the items you selected are now stacked together as one grouped layer, instead of appearing as fully separate elements. This makes future edits much cleaner and can save you a lot of time when working on more detailed designs. It's also a good habit to group related elements, like text with an icon, or shapes that belong to the same visual section. So your project stays organized as it grows. And that's it. That's how to merge layers in Adobe Express. Once you know where the group command is and how to select multiple elements properly, the process becomes quick and easy every time.